Everyone told me that I am crazy, and why did they say this to me? Because I wanted to make my dreams come true. It is agriculture. I bought a land 75 kilometers away from the city without water for agriculture, although with a bank check that has not yet arrived. But I want to do this. But I need your support. Financial assistance. I don't want I just want a little encouragement. All my hope is in my YouTube channel to fix my life. Those of you who are listening to me now, if you want to support me, just subscribe and give me a warm heart. That's all. I have many thoughts that I need to turn into reality. I will plant trees. The trees that are resistant to dehydration, I will mainly plant pistachios, and the rest are almonds, elderberries, samago. I don't know English, and I got help from an application to be able to do this. Please give me an idea and hope. I have this. I will do the work in any way. After planting the trees, I need a pool to store water and I have to build a house to live in. I also have to build a fence. I am also thinking of making a vegetable garden and adding animals. Please, if subscribe to my channel. Thank you for listening to me so far.